वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ सर्कल। सर्कल बनाने के लिए हम कंपास का यूज करते हैं। सर्कल बनाते वक्त कंपास का नोक जिस पॉइंट पर रखा जाता है उसे कहते हैं सेंटर पॉइंट। सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स on same distance from center point is known as circle. This point is known as center of circle and distance जो सर्कल बनाने के लिए लिया हुआ था कंपास में is known as radius of circle and also segment joining center and any point on circle is known as radius of circle. Therefore, in this figure, point O is center of circle and segment OP is radius of circle. We can draw infinite radius for circle and length of all radius is same. A segment joining any 2 points on circle is known as chord. Here A and B are points on the circle. Therefore, segment AB is chord. Segment AB is chord. We can draw infinite chords for a circle. And if center point lies on a chord, then it is known as diameter. Here point M and point N are the points on circle and center O lies on segment MN. Therefore, MN is diameter of a circle. Here segment MN is diameter. There are infinite diameters for a circle and all diameters are of same length. In one diameter there are 2 radius. Radius OM and radius ON. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. We denote diameter as D and we denote radius by R. Therefore, D is equal to 2R or R is equal to D by, and the diameter is the largest chord of a circle.